back 485 million years. You're about to face terrifying giants, creatures that look like aliens, tentacle monsters 3 stories tall, and creatures in thick armor, ferocious, 2.5-meter arthropods. And you'll meet all vertebrates' ancestors, those goofy little jawless fish. Welcome to the Ordovician, an age of exploding biodiversity. Last time, we survived the Cambrian Explosion. Now you've made it to the Ordovician. Step onto land. Earth's continents are split apart, and the temperature is dropping fast. So wear your thickest jacket. But compared to the Cambrian,
you see the first vascular plants spreading wildly. But land is still hostile to you. So you head back to the ocean, and the first thing you see
is still the trilobites from the Cambrian. They're still thriving after all these years. Their armor has evolved to be even better. Algae and sea lilies cover bright coral reefs. If the Cambrian was Earth's first life explosion, then the underrated Ordovician was the first age of biodiversity. Anomalocaris is gone, replaced by something that looks exactly like an alien. This is Endoceras, 8 meters long, standing right in front of you. Absolutely shocking. It's a distant cousin of octopuses and squids. Think it's clumsy because it's big? Nope. Each giant's tentacle is more flexible than your fingers.
Once it wraps around you, there's no escape.
And Endoceras has another trick. A beak like scissors. It can tear through prey's armor easily. Trilobites are their favorite snack. But as you watch from a distance, a creature appears that almost makes you laugh. This is Arandaspis. It hasn't evolved jaws yet, so it looks pretty silly. It reminds you of Hyquichdus from the Cambrian, but they're not directly related. Right now, Arandaspis uses its tiny spine to steal food from Endoceras. No jaws means it can only suck up plant debris. But you know, the age of fish is coming. And you think Endoceras rules the Ordovician?
You're wrong. Keep walking, and giant arthropods appear.
These are giant sea scorpions, Eurypterids, the giants of their kind. Over 2 meters long. Not as big as Endoceras, but they have tough exoskeletons.
Powerful claws and an absolute killer instinct.
They often challenge Endoceras, using their numbers to their advantage. The two sides fight constantly. You're wandering the ocean. Decide to go back to land for a break. But as soon as you step ashore, something feels wrong. Your detector shows. Atmospheric CO2 has dropped drastically. Without greenhouse gases, cold spreads across the entire world. You rush back to the ocean, but shallow seas are already freezing. The ice crystals look beautiful, but your blood runs cold, because countless shallow sea creatures are now frozen solid. This is happening everywhere on Earth. For the first time, you feel how small life really is. Everywhere you go, there's almost no life left. Then it hits you. You remember the future. A cool old guy told me this is Earth's first mass extinction. Vascular plants spreading on land, increased continental weathering,
flooding the oceans with nutrients, which made phytoplankton grow out of control. Eukaryotic algae exploded in numbers,
supercharging the marine biological pump, combined with massive sea level rise. COR levels crashed in just a few thousand years. You can only watch. You're lucky just to survive yourself. This mass extinction killed 85% of all marine life, almost snuffed out life's flame forever. The species that survived
were the toughest of the tough. Some moved to the deep ocean, where temperatures stay stable. Having witnessed this, you feel quiet because you know the darkest hour comes before dawn. But life will not stop. The Ordovician is over. Welcome to the Silurian.